Good morning, students. Students, if you remember, I taught you how to identify direct object and indirect object. I repeat, I taught you how to identify direct and indirect object. We have already studied how to identify direct and indirect object when we ask question to the verb with what, and whatever answer we get, that is our direct object. And when we ask question to the verb with whom, and whatever answer we get, that is our indirect object. In some cases, the sentences have two objects, direct object and indirect object. And such sentences we can transform in passive voice in two ways, by using direct object and by using indirect object. So in this video, I would like to explain how to transform a sentence having two objects in passive voice. Let's understand it. Here I have written three sentences. In three sentences there are two objects, direct object and indirect object. See whether both the objects are there or not. He gave me a pen. He gave what? A pen. He gave whom? Me. So two objects are there. Second sentence. I will provide you ample opportunities. Here we will check whether two objects are there or not. I will provide what? Ample opportunities. So ample opportunities, direct object. I will provide whom? You. So you, it is indirect object. Third sentence. She gives her mother a new sari every year. She gives what? A new sari. So it is an indirect. It is a direct object. She gives whom? Her mother. It is indirect object. So in these three sentences there are two objects. So let's transform these three sentences into passive voice using both the objects. First, he gave me a pen. In this sentence we will use first direct object, a pen. A pen. Gave, it shows simple past tense, and simple past tense to be formed was and were. So with a pen we use was. Then V3 of gave, given. After V3, to and then indirect object, me. Then by, and then subject. Here subject is he, so it's object pronoun, that is him. So now the passive voice is a pen was given to me by him. Now we will use indirect object, me. Now here me, it is an object pronoun. Now when we transform in passive voice by using this object pronoun, it turns into subject pronoun, that is I. As simple past tense, so with I we use to be formed was. V3 of gave, given. I was given what? A pen. Then by, and subject, by him. I was given a pen by him, it is passive voice. In first sentence we have used direct object. In the second sentence we have used indirect object. Both the sentences are in passive voice. Was given, to be formed, with. So both the sentences are in passive voice. If you see, the subject remains same. The doer of the action is same. By him. Now next sentence. I will provide you ample opportunities. Here first we begin with direct object, that is ample opportunities. ample opportunities. Will provide, it shows simple future tense, and in simple future tense we use to be form, will be or shall be. So ample opportunities will be. Then V3 of provide, provided. Then 2, indirect object you, and then by, and then what is the subject here? I. I is a pronoun, subject pronoun, so its object pronoun is me. Ample opportunities will be provided to you by me. The sentence it is in passive voice. Now we use indirect object, that is you. So you. Simple future tense, so will be provided. Will be to be form, and provided, it is V3 of provided. You will be provided what? Direct object, ample opportunities. Then by, and then subject, that is I, so its object pronoun me. You will be provided ample opportunities by me. Both the sentences are in passive voice. First sentence by using direct object, and second using indirect object you. Let's take one more example. She gives her mother a new sari every year. Two objects, a new sari, direct object, and her mother, indirect object. First we use direct object, a new sari. So a new sari. She gives which tense? Simple present tense. And simple present tense to be forms am, is, and are. Now with a new sari we use is. A new sari is. Now gives, it is a verb. It's V3, gifted. A new sari is gifted. Then to whom? Gifted to her mother. Then by, and then subject she. She, it is a pronoun, subject pronoun, so it turns into object pronoun her. And other words is given in this sentence, so every year. So the passive voice sentence is a new sari is gifted to her mother by her every year. A new sari is gifted to her mother by her every year. Then now we use indirect object, her mother. Her mother as it is simple present tense, so to be form is V3 of gifts, gifted. Her mother is gifted a new sari by subject she, so by its object pronoun her, and other words every year. The sentence it is in passive voice. Her mother is gifted a new sari by her every year. I repeat, her mother is gifted a new sari by her every year. So you can see three sentences. They have two objects, so we have transformed these three sentences in passive voice in two ways, by using direct object and by using indirect object. Students, I hope it is understood to you, and you can practice such sentences from your practice book. Thank you, students.